Hey, in this video, I will show you how to post on Facebook. It's actually going to be a very simple tutorial, so please make sure you hit the like button, and if you're new, hit the subscribe button. So let's start. Let's open up Facebook. Here, to actually post on Facebook, what you want to do is either click on what's on your mind right here, or you want to click on the plus icon at the top. Here you can click post, story, or reel. Let's choose post. And here you can either share it on Instagram as well if you have it connected. If you click the Instagram icon. If not, you can just type in, hey, how are you doing? Then click on the photos icon, click on photo and video, and select the photo, just like this one. From here, you can click on next, and here you can paste it. You can share it to some pages. You can set it to so you can so everyone can see it. Some friends can see it. Some friends except whoever can see it. Some specific friends can see it, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much how you do it. If you're still having any questions whatsoever around how to post on Facebook, let me know in the comment section down below, and I would love to help you out. If you're new, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. See you next one. Bye.